Hi, my name is Toby. I'm a little dog, and my leg is broken. I don't run like others. I limp. I fall. Some say I'm slow. Some say I'm weak. Some say I don't belong. Sometimes I sit under the tree and just watch them play. I smile, but my heart feels heavy. One day, a little bird fell from her nest. Everyone ran past her, but I stopped. I limped to her. Slowly, I carried her with my mouse, gently, and placed her back in her nest. Her mom chirped, and she chirped too, at me. Now, the others don't laugh. Now they say, Toby has the biggest heart. Even if something is broken, you can still give love. And, if you're still here with me, please subscribe to the channel, so I know my broken leg doesn't make me less.